Huwag ka nang ma-stress. Kami ang bahala sa'yo. So skip the lines and load your Beep card with CoinsPH. It's instant, there are no fees, and it's available 24/7. Beep card, i-coins mo yan!
How to load your Beep card in 60 seconds. Hi, it's Pam! Load your Beep card with coins. Walang pila dito. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and an NFC-enabled Android phone. Ang NFC ang ginagamit para makapag-communicate ang Beep card at CoinsPH sa isa't isa. Punta lang kayo sa phone settings para ma-enable to. You're all set! From the main wallet screen, tap All, then choose Beep. Hold the card to the back of your phone to check your current balance. Then, tap Load Card. Choose your preferred amount. Then, slide to pay. Wait for a few seconds, tapos ilagay ninyo ang Beep card sa likod ng phone to complete the transaction. Done! Makikita mo na ang bagong balance ng Beep card mo. Processing is instant. You can load as many times as you want, and you can check your balance and load your card anytime and anywhere. Beep card, i-coins mo yan!